Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable content restrictions and private messaging on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down and click the content and privacy restrictions. Then after that, in the content and privacy restrictions, choose the content restrictions. Then after that, scroll down and find the private messaging, then click. Then in this part, if you want to disable, just click the don't allow until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to enable, just click the allow until there's also a check mark on the side. This allowing prevents you from sending custom messages to other players and using voice chat in games. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled private messaging and content restrictions on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.